Yokohama. So this is Yokohama day trip. Yay! Alright, here we go. So first we will have Anpanman. Anpanman is the famous Japanese anime character. So it's a bread-shaped character. So let's hand real Anpanman. Kawaii, 見て。待って、何ここ。This is so cute. Oh my gosh. Train bench seat. And what is that? Is this the train museum? Oh, I see. Keikyu Museum. Keikyu is the one of the train company. Keikyu Train Museum. Oh, but you have to book for enter. Wow, I wanted to enter. Yeah, Anpanman Museum is over there. Anpanman, give me some. Yay, 見て。アンパンマン。かわいいアンパンマン、ビッグアンパンマン。Okay, I wanna take a photo with アンパンマン。はい、I'm online. Oh my god, so many kids was looking at me. Kids' face wasそうだ I was a little bit ちょっとシャイ。By the way, you need to pay to enter over second floor, but first floor you can enter for free. Yay! And you can get real Anpanman at here. Okay, let's go. Wow! これあれだな。This is the oven for 観光場 bread factory. Oh my gosh! These are so cute. This is the Anpanman main character and melon pan-chan, melon pan bread, curry panman, curry bread character, ToKi-chan and Kokin-chan, and Viking man. Wow, lots of melon pan-chan. ToKi-chan とカフェラテのアンパンマン。
アンパンマンのカフェラテ1点でございます。
すごいな、めっちゃ可愛い。見て。アンパンマンカフェラテ。かわいい、やばい。じゃんじゃん。This is the ToKi-chan bread and アンパンマンラテ。Oh my god. This is so cute. Okay, 乾杯。ラテ。Normal latte. ToKi-chan is Anpanman's enemy, but she is super cute, so I love ToKi-chan so much. Okay, let's open. Oh! Inside is strawberry cream. Yeah, okay, let's eat. The taste is super chemical strawberry taste. This strawberry flavor is super chemical. Oh my god. Yeah, I can eat, but I don't wanna eat more. Okay, let's go to the next spot. Go, go. あ、見て See! See! わお、見て、じゃーんすごいSea color is ちょっと crazy, but feel so good. What is that? Oh, barbecue place. ドレアムドアあ、ドリームドア You can do barbecue. One person 5,500 yen. Location is super nice. Yay! We reached the Cup Noodle Museum. Okay, let's go. So I heard there is a Oktoberfest. So let's go to Oktoberfest. Yay! Here! This is the Akarenga Soko. But now it's under construction. So all shops are closed. But they have a Oktoberfest. Oh my gosh! Ah, no way! Oktoberfest! Finished? No beer, no food. So Akarenga Soko has some events, but now I think it's changing time. But it's a good photo spot. Okay, let's go to the Chinatown and get my lunch. Yay! Arrived at the Chinatown, Yokohama Chinatown. This is the biggest Chinatown in Japan. So many choices. I can't choose. I want to try shushu ramen. Where is the shushu ramen? Oh, this is the all-you-can-eat Chinese food restaurant. 2,480 yen. Oh, good price. Wow. All-you-can-eat. すごいねこれ。Really? Oh my god, this is 1,300 yen. 安い So cheap. Wow. すごいなこれは900 yen だ。セットプライス So cheap. あ、ここだ。Here. 光辛い。
あんまり辛いこれ。
じゃあこれにします。
これ。すごい。
Oh my god. Frying noodle. So cool. ちゃんちゃん。This is the ToKi 牛肉麺ビーフヌードル。いただきます。やばい。イエーイ、美味しそうめっちゃ。Good smell. This is the noodle. This is like udon noodle. And this soup is super tasty. Like spicy, but the soup has good umami. How can I say umami? Good beef taste. Texture is so firm because this is handmade shushu. So There is a thin point and thick point. Thin point is so soft, but thick point is a little bit chewy. ごちそうさまでした。美味しかったマジで。I wanna come back again. Okay, let's go to Gundam. Go go. じゃじゃーん This is the Gundam factory Yokohama. Yeah, you can see real Gundam out here. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's go to see the night view in Yokohama. Go, go. Oh, here. Wow, やばい! The night view is amazing. じゃん! Is there some shop? I wanna get the hot drink. There are some restaurant and cafe. Okay, let's check. すごいなんかここのさなんかスーパーブルーだ。あ、ここはthat restaurant is elegant restaurant that we can't enter with streaming. That restaurant is expensive Italian restaurant. Departure arrival lobby? あれこれさなんかインターナショナルシップ come this place? あ、インターナショナルシップポート Welcome to Yokohama. Oh, I see. 待って、Suddenly Japanese garden is here. なんか I think if these plants are real, it's so good. But these are all fake. Look so cheap. They should use real plants. This is not good. Oh, this is the cafe. But so good viewing is other side. You can't see beautiful night view. Oh, okay. I wanna go to another place. Ta-da! I reached the fancy area. Okay, let's go. So there are some shops and restaurant and cafe. Ah, pie! Pie いいんじゃない? Apple pie. You can eat American pie. こんな感じ. I wanna eat dessert pie. Cherry pie, pecan nuts pie. Small pie, grasshopper pie. Why is a grasshopper pie? Oh my gosh, mint mousse and chocolate. Pecan nuts pie and some tea. Itadakimasu. I've never tried this taste. But it's so good. Okay, let's go back to the station. Yay! That is the gondola. Can you see? This gondola is 1,000 yen, but super short. I have ridden before, but view was not super good. So you don't need to ride this gondola. No, 500 yen is good, but 1,000 yen is too expensive for this gondola. Why is that? Message? 11月1日オープン。あOkay. November 1st open. Oh, I see. Commercial for Upper Hotel. Okay. Please book Upper Hotel.